So here we'll eliminate the square root value and we'll get our answer. So friend, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up to the video. Now look at here, it is in the form of, we can write this x raised to the power 4. We can write it as x square and its whole square. So we'll write it as x square and its whole square, and 1 over x raised to the power 4 we'll write 1 over x square and its whole square. And now making this term as a whole square of x square minus 1 over x square, we'll have to subtract it by 2 times x square and multiplied by 1 over x square, so that we can make it in the form of x square plus 1 over x square and its whole square. So here if we cancel x square and 1 over x square, we're left with -2. So we'll have to add plus 2 also. And now we'll write the rest of the term. It is plus 4 times x square minus 1 over x square and plus 2. So now let's move forward. So now it is in the form of a square, x square and its whole square. We'll write a square and plus 1 over x square as b. So it is b square, and it is -2 times a times b. So it is a minus b whole square. So this value we'll write it as x square minus 1 over x square and its whole square. Now after that we'll write the remaining term. So from here to here we'll write the first this term. So it is plus 4 times x square minus 1 over x square, and here 2 and plus 2 will be plus 4. So in the next step we'll write this term as, we'll write square root of x square minus 1 by x square and its whole square, and this term we'll write 4 times, this term we'll write plus 2 times x square minus 1 over x square and multiplied by 2. We have written 4 as 2 times 2 and remaining this term, and 4 we'll write plus 2 square. So now this term we can write as, it is in the form of a square plus 2 times ab plus b square. So let it be as a, so it is a square plus 2 times a and b, plus we'll write 2 as b, so it is b square. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square means a plus b and its whole square. So according to this formula we'll write this expression as x square minus 1 over x square plus 2 and its whole square, and we have square root over this value. So here square and square root value will be cancelled. So our answer is x square minus 1 over x square plus 2. This is the answer of this expression. So friend, hope this video was very useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.